Hello, my name is Jessica Thoy. This is my math cast. The intended audience is third graders. The objective is to solve word problems in varied contexts using a letter to represent the unknown. Again, the objective is to solve word problems in varied contexts using a letter to represent the unknown. So these next few slides, we will be working on different problems to help us understand how to do that properly. So this next problem is in 3 parts. The question is, Lana's family visits Little Tree Apple Orchard. Use a RDW process to solve the problem about Lana's visit to the orchard. Use a letter to represent the unknown in each problem. So it starts off, the sign below shows information about hay rides at the orchard. Hay rides, adult tickets are $7. Child tickets are $4. And the hayride leaves every 15 minutes starting at 11 o'clock. Part A. Lana's family buys 2 adult tickets and 2 child tickets for the hayride. How much does it cost for Lana's family to go on the hayride? So we are trying to figure out how much money Lana's family spent on tickets to get onto this hayride. We know that 7 times 2, or 7 plus 7, is 14. So, and then 4 plus 4, or 4 times 2, is, and 4 times 2, or 4 plus 2, is 8. 4 times 2, or 4 plus 2, equals 8. So 14 plus 8 equals 22. So Lana's family spent $22 to get onto the hayride. Part B says Lana's mom pays for the ticket with $5 bills. She receives $3 in change. How many $5 bills does Lana's mom use to pay for the hayride? So if we go and divide 5, or 22 divided by 5, which is the proper way to write it, we would have 4.4 if we put it into our calculator. So in order for Lana's mom to get $3 back in change, she would have had to pay with $5 bills. The last question is, Lana's family wants to go on the 4th hayride of the day. It's 11:38 now. How many minutes do they have to wait for the 4th hayride? So starting at 11 o'clock, the hayrides leave every 15 minutes. So the first hayride leaves at 11 o'clock, the second one leaves at 11:15, the third one leaves at 11:30, and the fourth one leaves at 11:45. So if it is already 11:38, they will have to wait 7 minutes for the 11:45 hayride or the 4th hayride. In this problem, it says Max's father gave the cashier $20 to pay for 6 bottles of water. The cashier gives him $8 in change. How much does each water bottle cost? So we're going to do 20 minus 8 because that will give us how much he has actually spent on the water, which is $12. So if we do 12 divided by 6, that will give us X, or the amount of money he spent on each water bottle. So we know 12 divided by 6 is 2. So each bottle cost $2. So we are using the RDW process to solve the problem below. We've heard this acronym before. It's read, draw, write. So we need to use a letter to represent the unknown. Sandra keeps her sticker collection in 7 albums. 7 is important, so we're going to underline that. Each album has 40 stickers in it. Again, important, so we're going to underline that. And she starts a new album that has 9 stickers in it. How many total stickers does she have in her collection? Okay, so now we're going to draw. So here are our 7 albums, and I'm just going to write 40 in the middle of each of them. And since it says she started a new album, we need to draw an 8th album and put 9 in the middle of it. So what we're trying to figure out is how many stickers in total does she have in her collection. So total stickers is going to equal an S for stickers. So in order to find this out, we can do 40 plus 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 9, or we can do 40 times 7 plus 9 equals S. Okay? So I'm going to do the 40 times 7 plus 9 equals S. So 40 times 7 is 280. And then we still have to add our 9 equals S. So if we take 280 and add 9, we figure out that she has 289 stickers. So now for the W, we're going to have to write this out as a sentence. So our sentence reads, Sandra has 289 total stickers in her sticker collection. The resources I used are Engage and Y lesson plans that are found in their archives. And again, my name is Jessica Thuai. Thank you for watching.